In this video, I'll show you how to create AI images in Midjourney. First, open your web browser, go to the Midjourney website, and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, create one and complete the sign-in process. Next, from the main dashboard, click the prompt box to start a new image generation. Enter a detailed description of the image you want to create. Include the subject, art style, lighting, colors, background, composition, and any other details that will help Midjourney understand your vision. Now, click the Generate button and wait while Midjourney creates your images. After a few moments, you'll see multiple image variations based on your prompt. After that, click on any image to view it in full size. If you'd like to improve the result, use the available options to create variations, upscale the image, edit your prompt, or make additional adjustments until you get the look you want. Finally, when you're satisfied with the final image, click Download to save it to your device. Continue experimenting with different prompts, styles, and settings to create unique AI artwork for your projects. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI images in Midjourney. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.